Today we'll talk about decision control structure in Java, that is if and else. Basically, if and else is used for output which is being given by some relational expression. So a relational expression says yes, if say if will do something, otherwise else will do something. So I'll talk about if and else in detail. Let me make a project Java application next, and you can name it in any way. So what I was trying to tell you was that if means if certain condition is met, and that condition is only through some relational or logical expression. Some relational expression, if it gives true, the output is true, then the line just after if will be executed. Okay, on certain condition, if you want to execute certain line, for that if is used. What about false? For that we use else. If it is false, then we use else. Again, same is true for else, that the line which is just below or just following else will be executed. If you wish to execute more lines, means more than one line, for that you have to write them inside curly braces. Same is true for else also. This way. Once again, if condition is true, then all lines inside these braces will be executed, else these lines will be executed. One more thing, if in itself is complete, we don't require else with if. If condition is true, well enough, but if condition is false, we don't want to do anything. If means that only. But if we want to cater that situation that the condition is false, for that else is used, and else is also and always written with if only. Okay, if can be written without else, but else has to have a if. So let's see with an example. Say some age is there, and we will input that age from the user. Let's say we have certain age, int age, and we will enter, we'll make the user to enter the age. For that we have to use the scanner option. Scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in. You know system.in is keyboard and scanner is not known, so what we have to do, we have to go to the program and we need to import scanner class from java.util. Now this is fine. We will say or ask user to input the age, and depending upon the age we will execute certain lines, certain expression or certain statements. And once the user enters the age, what we'll do, we'll take it in age. This is how it is taken. Age is equal to input dot next end, because it is an integer. Okay, now let's come down to if. If say if age is greater than 21, the salary is 5,000. So if age is greater than 21, we print system.out.print your salary is 5,000, and let's make it ln, print ln. Okay, so let me execute it and enter array, say 30. So the salary should be 5,000. Okay, the program ran fine, the if concept was understood, and this particular expression gave the result as true. So depending upon this trueness, if executed this line. What if I want more than one line to be executed? As I earlier told, I have to bind these statements inside a curly bracket. Now you say that this is true, but what if this condition goes to fall or fail? Then we have to have a else condition. And mind it, understand it, that we cannot write any relational expression in front of else. Else will only work if goes down. Okay, if this condition fail, then else will be done. So we don't need any expression here. We can't even write any expression. So we'll write what, let's say we write the salary is 2000. Let me execute it for you. Now previously we entered the age as 30, it was greater than 21. Let us make it a bit less now than 21. Let us say 19. So the salary is 2000. Now the control has gone to else. It has not gone to this line because age was less than 21. So this condition failed and else condition got true, and that is why this particular line was executed. So this is a brief explanation about if and else, and how this is how it goes. Later we'll explain if, else if, and other nested ifs.